Today, we are going to look at some phrasal verbs that are commonly used in everyday English. These are short phrases that native speakers use all the time, in conversations at home, at work, and with friends. Let's go through them one by one. The first one is cheer up. When someone is sad or feeling down, we tell them to cheer up. It simply means to feel happier or to become more positive. If your friend is upset because of a bad day, you might say, "Hey, cheer up. Things will get better." Or maybe you want to cheer someone up, meaning you want to do something that makes them feel better. For example, she bought her friend some flowers to cheer her up. It is a very warm and common expression in everyday life. Next is chill out. This one is very casual and popular, especially among younger speakers. Chill out means to relax and stop feeling stressed or angry. If someone is getting too worried about something, you might say, "Just chill out. Everything is going to be fine." Or you might say, "She chilled out on the sofa after a long day at work." It is the kind of phrase you hear all the time in casual conversations between friends. Now let's talk about chip in. When a group of people each give a little money or help towards something together, we say they chip in. For example, if a group of coworkers wants to buy a birthday cake for someone, they might all chip in a few dollars. You could say, "Everyone chipped in and got her a lovely gift." It can also mean to contribute an idea or some effort, not just money. For example, she chipped in and helped clean up after the party. The fourth phrasal verb is clean up. This one is very straightforward. Clean up means to make a place neat and tidy by removing dirt or mess. After a meal, you might say, "She cleaned up the kitchen." Or after a party, "It took 2 hours to clean up the living room." It is one of those phrases you hear every single day in a typical household. Next is clear out. Clear out means to remove everything from a place, or to leave a place completely. For example, she cleared out her closet and donated old clothes. Or if a store is closing, they might clear out all the items on the shelves. You might also hear someone say, "Everyone cleared out of the room when the meeting ended." It gives the idea of making a space completely empty. Now, clear up. This phrasal verb has two common meanings. The first is about the weather. When it was cloudy or raining, and then the sky becomes bright again, we say the weather cleared up. The sky cleared up after the rain, and they went for a walk. The second meaning is about solving or explaining a problem or confusion. For example, she cleared up the misunderstanding by talking to her manager. Both meanings are used very often in natural conversation. And the last one is come across. Come across means to find something or meet someone by chance, without planning it. For example, she came across an old photo while cleaning her room. Or, he came across a great little coffee shop while walking around the city. It can also describe how someone seems to other people. For example, she comes across as very confident in meetings. This second meaning is also very common in everyday English. So let's do a quick review. Cheer up means to feel or become happier. Chill out means to relax. Chip in means to contribute money or effort with others. Clean up means to make a place tidy. Clear out means to remove everything from a space. Clear up means either the weather becoming bright or solving a confusion. And come across means to find something by chance or to give a certain impression to others. These 7 phrasal verbs are all very natural and useful in daily conversation. The more you hear them and use them yourself, the more comfortable they will feel. In the next section, we will look at each sentence with pictures and then listen to some real conversations.
Cheer up. She cheered up when she saw the flowers. Chill out. She chilled out on the sofa. Chip in. Everyone chipped in to buy a gift. Clean up. She cleaned up the kitchen after dinner. Clear out. She cleared out her closet. Clear up. The sky cleared up after the rain. Come across. She came across an old photo.
You seem really quiet today. What is going on?
I just feel a bit down. I had a rough week, and I cannot seem to shake it off.
Come on, cheer up. The weekend is here and you have nothing to worry about right now.
I know. It is just hard sometimes. Did you come across anything fun to do this weekend? I need something to look forward to.
Actually, yes. I came across this outdoor market downtown while I was looking things up online. It looks really nice. Lots of food stalls and little shops.
That does sound lovely. But I heard the weather might be bad tomorrow.
I checked this morning and it said the sky should clear up by noon. So if we go in the afternoon, it should be fine.
Okay, that makes me feel a little better. I just need to chill out and stop overthinking everything.
Exactly. You have been stressed for weeks. You really need to take a break and just relax for a bit.
You are right. I also need to clear out my room this weekend. It has been such a mess, and it is making me feel worse.
I can help with that if you want. We can clear out the clutter in the morning and then head to the market in the afternoon.
Really? You would do that?
Of course. And once we clear out the big stuff, we can clean up together. It will not take long if we both work on it.
That is really kind of you. I feel bad asking you to spend your Saturday helping me clean up my room, though.
Do not worry about it. I was not doing anything special anyway. Besides, a tidy space will help you feel so much better. Trust me.
You are probably right. I always feel calmer when my space is clean. Okay, let us do it.
Great. And maybe we can get some of the others to chip in too. I think a few people said they were free tomorrow.
Oh, that would be great. If everyone chips in, we can get it done really fast.
Exactly. I will send a message tonight and see who is available. Even if just 2 or 3 people come, it will make a big difference.
Thank you. Honestly, I was feeling really low earlier, but this little plan is already making me feel better.
See, I told you to cheer up. Things always look better when you have something to look forward to.
You are right. Can I ask you something, though? Do you ever feel like everything just piles up at once and you cannot handle it?
All the time. But the trick is to just take it one step at a time. When I feel overwhelmed, I just stop, breathe, and chill out for a moment before doing anything.
That is good advice. I think I just let things build up too much in my head.
We all do. But tomorrow we clear out the room, clean up, go to the market, and by the end of the day, you will feel like a completely different person.
I really hope so. There is also one thing I wanted to clear up with you. Last week, when I did not reply to your message, it was not because I was ignoring you. I was just really overwhelmed.
Oh, I did not think anything of it. Seriously, do not worry about that at all.
I just did not want any awkwardness between us. I always want to be honest with you.
And I appreciate that. Now stop worrying and let us focus on making this a good weekend.
Deal. What time should we start tomorrow?
How about 10 in the morning? That gives us enough time to clear out and clean up before heading out in the afternoon.
Perfect. I will make sure I get enough sleep tonight so I actually have energy tomorrow.
Good idea. And if anyone chips in to help, we can all grab lunch together after.
I love that idea. Okay, I'm actually starting to feel excited now.
That is more like it. That is the attitude we need.
Thank you for today. Talking to you always helps.
Anytime. Now go home, rest, and we will make tomorrow a great day.